Hi Pisces, welcome to Omkara Tarot. Let's do an energy check-in, love check-in, for the end of August. Let's see what's happening in your love life now. So Pisces is a general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. Why is this now? King of Cups here, that too in reverse. And the Seven of Wands. I'm going to keep these here and see if they're going to resonate with the rest of our reading. So warm welcome back to all my subscribers, and if you're new here, we welcome you to our little Omkara family. We meet here weekly for all kinds of readings, so do join us, subscribe to the channel, and yes, we'd be happy to have you join us here. And with that said, I'm going to begin the reading now. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send us the messages we need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. And I apologize, Pisces, I think there's a knocking sound coming from the window. There's some construction going on. Not much I can do about it, but let's see. I hope you guys can hear me loud and clear. And it stopped. Thank you. So newcomers, two sets of cards, one for you, one for your person, and in the center I have your mutual energy, okay? It's too much noise. Making a choice, making a choice in love. Apt card for a love reading. So for person A, person B, okay, you have to decide where you are, Pisces. So person A has the Nine of Wands in reverse, the High Priestess, Four of Wands, Five of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and the King of Swords. So there is somebody here who is trying to let go of fighting for this connection. Let's see the other side. Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Magician, Four of Pentacles, the Fool, Seven of Pentacles, and the Six of Pentacles in reverse. So Pisces, I see here somebody is kind of now, there's silence I think between the two of you first of all. I don't think you're talking to each other and you're kind of letting go of the fight now. There's no more joy to be had in this relationship, or at least that's what person A is thinking. That, it's very difficult to get a reunion, it's very difficult to get back to this person. I must make a choice. Second time this card has flipped out of having to make a choice, right? Right now, person A feels that, there is no stability in my life right now, and I don't like feeling this way. I don't like being left out in the cold. I'm feeling abandoned, and yes, what I need in my life is not to feel, confused all the time and to wonder what's happening. And I want a partner here who will be there for me, have equal give and take with me. But right now, person A is not feeling the passion, they're not feeling the excitement, they're not feeling like anything is moving forward right now. Yes, because a lot of things are still hidden, right? Maybe there's fear, there's illusions, there's secrets being kept, or maybe there's just distance and being very emotional right now about maybe a separation right now from a partner. Yeah, right now person A is not feeling the love, not feeling the partnership, not feeling the love, feeling pretty Person A feels that somebody, kind of snuck away from them, and that didn't make them very happy. They're feeling loveless. This could have been their, stable home, stable place, a person they really, looked at for stability in their life, somebody who grounded their scenario. So, this was their wish come true, okay? This person, whoever is now at a distance from person A, was their wish come true, and now person A is feeling a little stuck without them, right? They feel that somebody just kind of left and stuck away and left me out, and when am I going to get my, equal give and take? They feel that this King of Swords is now mean to them and he is harsh towards them and he doesn't give any clear-cut answers to them. And yes, I'm not even sure, if I want to work towards this commitment anymore, because what's the point of having a partner when he is never there for me? Okay, so all these funny thoughts are going on in person A's mind at the moment. Yes, they want passion in their life. I think they're feeling a little neglected right now. They want this Ace of Wands, which is in the reverse, to become upright again, and they want, and they want it now. They want fast communication, and they want to, move forward with their life now. But right now, because they're not feeling it, they feel, everything is stuck, and I'm not moving ahead, and I'm getting angrier by the day. I'm getting more upset and wondering whether maybe, the person B is not being authentic towards me, and maybe giving to more than one, or maybe giving to somebody else. So all these fears, I think, are in person A's mind right now. They feel somebody has kind of dropped them and not working towards their connection anymore. Yes, this king, they know that this King of Cups maybe loves them, but there is a blockage right now in them coming towards them. And all kind of, thoughts, weird thoughts are going on in person A's mind as to why they're not coming, and maybe, they're being emotionally distant. Why are they distant? Maybe they're seeing somebody else. Maybe they don't love me anymore. So all kind of thoughts are going on in person A's mind at the moment. Even though they have a lot of attraction, there's a lot of, attraction towards person B. So let's see how person B really is now. We have to see what's happening with person B. So person B is in the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. They are not looking to be single. They are not looking to, do anything wrong. They kind of appreciate the fact that they are, in a proper commitment with person A. They are not even behaving single. They are very happy with their committed status right now, and they are trying to manifest something. So Spirit, what are they trying to manifest here? What is person B trying to manifest? Yeah, love. This has been coming out, Pisces, for the last few readings, that, the feminine energy, I think, is always worried that she is not loved, whereas the masculine here is totally on board and he is not doing anything wrong, right? He loves his feminine or person A. He thinks he's happily married. He's not looking to be single. Yes, there is a little holding back right now. So why is this masculine holding back, Spirit? They are trying to create something new, a fresh new beginning maybe. Oops. Yeah, they don't want to fight with person A at all, right? They don't want to fight. They don't like the fact that, there is distance between, or people are holding back. They are looking forward to maybe returning and starting something brand new, take a leap of faith and start a new journey with person A once again. If there has been a little distance or whatever between the two of you. They know that the feminine is very upset with them. They know the feminine is very, 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 very upset with them and heartbroken. But they are manifesting this. They are manifesting coming back, starting something new again, being happy, taking a fresh leap of faith, investing back into this relationship. Okay? So they don't have any evil thoughts in their mind, person A, if you're thinking that. So what is the Seven of Pentacles, Spirit? What is the Seven of Pentacles? Yes, they feel I've already invested so much of my time and energy in with the person A. This is my wish fulfillment. I am going to be happy with them forever. And I'm very unhappy to be, feeling abandoned and feeling the loss of person A's presence in my life. They realize that there's been a bit of unequal give and take during this time. There could, like I said, there could be some distance between the two of you. Maybe a masculine is busy at work or something, and they're not being able to give enough time. But emotionally, person A, they are totally with you. They are looking forward. Yes, see, you are their sunshine. You make them very happy, and they feel their happiness only comes when they are with you. So they are also miserable without you, and they are wanting, wishing, and in manifesting, coming back and starting something new with you. They know till now whatever has happened has not been just. They know whatever circumstances, pulled you both apart. They are not happy with it either, and they totally understand your anger. But you are their stability. You are their happy place. Okay, this is what you are to them. Moment of silence. While all you feminines out there, give me a thumbs up. If you've been worried, let this be a confirmation. Don't be worried, it's okay. I mean, the masculine is totally in love with you. And yes, they are as heartbroken that they can't be with you at this time. They know they've put in a lot of investment into this relationship. This card has come in twice, yeah, or maybe they're working. They're working and investing and, collecting their coins, or doing some work where they are trying to create a nest egg where it can benefit both of you. So, yes, let's see your mutual energy now. They're wanting this. They're wanting to start something brand new with you. They definitely, that's guaranteed. They are not looking for that single happy person life without you. Okay? So don't worry about it. Let's see your mutual energy. Pisces. See, again, Ace of Pentacles. Yippee! A happy reading. Okay, so Ace of Pentacles. Then we have the Two of Pentacles. And then we have the Five of Wands. Okay, so I think there's going to be a little bit of, even though you're both looking for this new beginning, there is a bit of juggling going on. There's a little bit of, sulking and fighting between the two of you. Let's see why that is. So Spirit, Ace of Pentacles. Why is that in their mutual position here? Oops. Because the Queen is very, very angry here. She's very angry, and because somebody walked away, right? She's very angry, and now, even though you both want to have a fresh new beginning with each other, I think the Queen is going to be a little difficult here. Feminine, come on, I'm telling you, the masculine hasn't done anything wrong. Maybe they walked away. I'm sure they have a valid reason. And yes, you want to know that, right? So you have your sword up and you're asking questions about, hey, like, you're back for a new beginning, so where did you disappear on me? And left me all alone. So now we have the Two of Pentacles. So what is this Two of Pentacles? What is this juggling? What is this back and forth thing happening? No, feminine, don't be in that state, because this masculine has gone within. Okay, they have spent a lot of alone time, I think, without you, and they know that you are their wifey. Okay, they know you're the perfect feminine for them. They have no doubt on the fact that you love them. Right? So it's this alone time has actually given them a lot of time to kind of go back and forth in their mind, think about everything that they have with you, and they realize that you are their wish fulfillment. So don't worry about it. Okay. These cards wanted to pop out, so many, so I'll take them. Yes, you people have known each other for a very long time. First of all, you're best friends. You have a lot of memories with this person, and both of you are kind of thinking back on what a beautiful soulmate connection you both have. Yes, if things have, it's just because the things have been stagnant for a little while, Pisces, you both have been in this very stuck place. And when monkey mind takes over, all kinds of thoughts keep going in your mind. That's exactly what's happening. That is exactly what's happening to both of you. You've just been in your mind, and because of whatever distance or whatever's happened between the two of you, you're thinking of all worst case scenarios, which is not true. I'm going to repeat that. Not true. You both love each other. Okay, so then why are they fighting, Spirit, with the Five of Wands? What is this fight? Both are wanting to have control now in the situation. Okay. One more. Okay, one more. What's this Tower moment now? Okay, one more. Don't worry, absolutely don't worry. I don't think you'll even get to know Pisces. There will be probably no message here. Somebody is going to suddenly show back up in your life. Okay, your masculine, I think, is going to come back and take charge of this situation. It's going to be sudden, fast, and quick without any form of notice. It's going to be a fresh new beginning for the two of you. There will be some clear-cut communication, and yes, you both may kind of have a little tiff because feminine, you want to ask some questions, and the masculine will give them to you because he loves you very, 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 very much. With the Lovers card here, there will be a choice made again in love to come back because you people are really passionate about each other. You love each other, but till feminine, you're going to stay in this energy of anger and upset. How is it going to work? So put your guard down a little bit, okay? And when he comes in, just welcome him back. He's been missing you too, okay? So let's take an angel blessing card for you now. One more. Oops, sorry, too many cards. I'll just take the ones that flipped over. Okay, one here. Soon your prayers are going to be answered, okay? If you've been praying for this masculine, if you've been praying for, reunion with your feminine, Spirit says all your prayers have been answered and they will come to fruition very, very soon. Feminine, one word of advice: keep your emotions in check, okay? Don't start fighting with this masculine the minute he returns because he is traveling towards you. Safe travel, okay? If it's been difficulty, maybe because of the COVID or whatever, Spirit is carrying him on their back, okay? And making sure that he has a very safe passage back home. So don't worry about it. He will be safe, sound, return to you. But you please keep your emotions in check. Okay? The minute you see him, don't bite his head off. He's coming because he loves you. Okay? So that's all I have for you. I'll see you next week now. Namaste, take care, and love and light to all of you.